my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you an Indian dessert that's called Sooji Ki Barfi, and it's very easy to make at home, so let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are a cup of semolina or Suji, a cup of sugar. I'm using the brown sugar, but you can use any sugar. I have over here 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. This is the dry coconut, and these are the almonds that I have just coarsely ground. I have some raisins over here. This is 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of elaichi powder, and I have some food color that's optional, but that's just a pinch of food color. Okay, so the first thing to make this Sooji Ki Barfi is I heat this pan and add this Suji. This is the raw Suji, it's not the roasted one. You can also use the roasted Suji, and on medium flame I'm just going to dry roast this without any oil or ghee. So I've dried roasted this Suji, and I don't want to make it really brown, but just roast it for about 5 minutes on medium to low flame. And after roasting it for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add the ghee or the clarified butter. Okay, so in goes the ghee, and I'm going to continue mixing this for a few more minutes. And this is similar to making halwa, Suji ka halwa, except that I'm adding a few more ingredients that we generally don't add when we make the halwa. So we don't want to make it brown like the Suji ka halwa. I'm going to add this desiccated coconut, the raisins, elaichi powder or cardamom powder, almonds, and mix them together. Okay, so I've been mixing this for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame, and now I'm going to add the sugar. You can use the brown sugar or the white sugar. I'm just adding the brown sugar just to give a little color to this dish, although I'm also adding the food color. So the sugar is going to start caramelizing, and then I'm going to add the water and the food color as well. Okay, so now I've been mixing this well, and you can see it looks so attractive with all these rich items. This is a very rich dish. Okay, so now I'm going to add the water. Keep the flame on low, and I'm now going to add the food color as well. So I'm going to continue mixing this. Continue mixing this for a few more minutes, and then keep it in a plate or a dish for it to set. It's a very quick recipe. As you can see, it's almost ready. And now I'm going to take this out in a baking dish, and I've slightly greased it with some oil, and I'm going to take the whole thing out in this and show you. So I've put the halwa or the barfi, as you can say. I'm just going to make this flat like this, and then I'm going to add some edible silver or silver varak. I have some edible silver out here, which I'm going to use. And now I'm going to make some pieces like this. And let it set. I'm not going to take it out right now. I'm just going to let it set for about half an hour or so till it becomes slightly hard. And now I'm also going to add some broken pieces of almonds that I used earlier as well. Press this little bit. Our attractive Sooji Ki Barfi is ready, but I'm going to let it set for about half an hour till it cools down and then show you. Sooji Ki Barfi or halwa, whatever you can call, has set well. So I just transferred it on this platter and it looks so attractive, and I've just made it more attractive with this beautiful flower. Our delicious Sooji ka halwa or barfi is now ready, and enjoy this with your family and friends, and do share your comments if you try this at home. And subscribe to my channel if you can. For more videos, tune in. Till next time, thanks a lot. Bye bye.